These are all the strips and the blocks that I'll need to make the holly and the angels. And some of the tricks here are to cut long strips and then subdivide them into your squares and smaller strips. One completed corner block is shown here, and for the entire project we'll need to make 4. The next part I'm going to sew is going to be the edge block. And for this piece, you have to put on this block first, sew it, fold it back, and then this block. So I'm going to show you with this piece. So I put on my square, and I'm marking the line diagonal. And then I'll sew it. Now I have to cut off the end here. And I'll fold back and iron it next. And now I'm putting my second square on this side. Mark the diagonal. And sew that on and fold it back. Trim that and then iron. And we're going to have a piece. Here is the completed edge block. And for this project we'll be making 6 of these. And we need to make 2 of these for the holly and the angels. For the holly block, I like to arrange my pieces before I sew them together. That's because I have all different colors of green and I don't want to duplicate the colors right next to each other. And here we have our completed holly block. We're going to make 3 of these to make 1 holly row, and then there's 2 holly rows. And the second one is a little different from the first one, so you have to do them separately. Angel block 1 is shown here completed, and this is a great size if you want to do another project to make a pot holder out of. This is an arrangement of all of the section 1 blocks before I put them together. Section 1 is shown here completed of the Holly and Angels project. The section 2 block has been completed here and is shown with the section 1 block. The third angel block has been completed here and the second holly row with all of the other outlying blocks, and I'm going to sew those all together now. Shown here we have the Holly and the Angels quilt block pattern. It is 30 inches wide by 12 inches high, and you can continue on and make this into many different projects. The little angels can be made, like I said before, into pot holders. You could make a tablecloth or a table runner. You could make pillows. You can do all sorts of things with this project. And this is available at raz-lane-crafts.com. Thanks for being with me.